So we're now in the Solarlux area of the showroom. This has recently been brought into Cherwell and is a very exciting new product that we are very hopeful is going to bring in lots of sales for us. So anyone that is doing a build of sizable amounts of glass doors, Solarlux really specialise in bifolds and sliding doors. Now here, just to very sort of quickly touch on, we've got the Solarlux Cero. Quite honestly, these can go to ultra big expanses, so anyone that is designing a big architecturally glazed project, this is a very good solution for you. I'm not going to go into loads of technical detail with you today, only to say that bifold sliders, this is what Solarlux do. I've been to their factories in Germany. Honestly, it is absolutely fantastic. If I was doing a project where I was looking at aluminium but whilst trying to get nice thermal performance as well as the way in which the product is going to operate for you, Solarlux really is a great product. So again, a bit like the Internorm, we're trying to encourage more people to hopefully come in by appointment and see us in the showroom. But again, anybody that just wants to initially talk over their project or go through some plans, please pick up the phone, drop us an email, and we'll try and set up an appointment with either James or Harry, who specialise in this offering.